Mrs. Tan went shopping with a certain amount of money. She spent 1/8 of it. It means the money, yeah, on a pair of shoes. 1/4 of the remainder. Just now, it means the money. But this time around, 1/4 of the remainder. You must find the remainder first on a handbag. She had $420 left after spending on the shoes and on the handbag. How much money did she spend? Okay. What we have here is that we have the information of a fraction given here. Okay, we have a fraction given here. Okay, 1/8. So 1/8 means 1 unit, 8 unit. 1 unit is spent, 8 unit is the money. So which means I can draw a model of 8. Okay, so spend 1/8 of it. This one will be on shoes. Okay, then there is remainder, right? All this is the remainder. How many is the remainder? This one I know 1/8, correct. Then the remainder, how many of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7/8. This is my remainder. Okay, the remainder, same. The remainder I label on top and the fraction I put below. She spent 1/4 of the remainder, not all of them, but only 1/4 of the remainder. So 1/4 of remainder. What is the remainder? I know from the model, 7/8. 1/4 times 7/8 equals to, so you can't do any cancellation crosswise because none of them are the multiples of anything together. So 7/8 times 4 is 32, like that. We repeat as that. Okay. Now we're not done. I want to know the total spend. Total spend will be this 7/32 is the handbag. Okay. So total spend means shoes plus handbag equals to shoes is 1/8. Handbag is 7/32. When you add them together, you are going to get 11/32. Which means if you look at your model, what are you going to do? You can actually divide it into 4 parts each because there's now 1/4 remainder, right? This one. If you don't want to do all these big fractions, right? You can click up the model. So each of them you cut into 4. You can do this. You can do this actually, yeah. Okay. So of the remainder just now, 7/8, which is actually 7/32. So you can actually shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this one is 4/32. When you convert, you just times 4 times 4. This one is your handbag, which is 7/32. Your handbag, right? The handbag. So which means what she spent is 11. 4 plus 7, 11. Correct. Okay. I'm left with leftover. I have a leftover from whatever I spent. I have leftover from here until here. That's a leftover. Left. Okay. And what's the left? If you want to know, you can just find out from here. This is unit. This is unit. 32 minus 11 equals to 21 unit. Okay, so if you count all that, you're supposed to get 21 unit. And this is 420. So 21 unit is 420. Then 1 unit is 420 divided by 21, you get 20. I want to know how much money she spent. She spent 11 unit. Or you can just look at this plus this. That's 11 unit. 20 times 11 equals to 220. Answer 220. Okay.